Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSMARENA. Vivo has come out with a new mid-range phone with an under-display fingerprint reader and a tiny round notch. I'm talking about the VIVO V11, and it's just arrived, so let's check it out. Inside the box we have a cardboard package. In here there's a clear rubber case, some reading material, and a SIM key. Next we have the phone itself, looking good. Beneath that, we have a package with some earbuds. There's a micro USB cable a little bit behind on the times. And we have a 20-watt Voc flash charger, which should charge you up really fast. Alright, so now that we have the VIVO V11 in our hands, let's go over its key features. First on the list, a beautiful build. The VIVO V11 feels thin, curvy, and pretty light. The back is curved, and the starry night color scheme here is really cool. It's quite similar to the starry purple color from the Oppo F9, with a speckled star-like texture. Next, an AMOLED screen with a tiny notch. This style of notch looks like it's getting pretty trendy. It holds the selfie camera as well as the infrared facial scanner, while still remaining small and unobtrusive. The display itself is pretty large. It's tall and 6.4 inches with a 1080p resolution. Content looks sharp, with nice colors, and of course there's those deep AMOLED blacks. Third on the list, a fingerprint reader under the screen. One of the key features of the flagship Vivo Nexus has made its way to the mid-range lineup. The screen has a glowing fingerprint icon so you know exactly where to press. It's quite cool and futuristic, though it doesn't seem quite as fast or reliable as a traditional reader. Once the novelty wears off, you're better off switching to the infrared face unlock, which works quite well, even in the dark. Next up, high-performance chipset. The VIVO V11 runs on a Snapdragon 660 chipset, one of the best you can find without going into flagship territory. With 6 gigs of RAM, everything runs clean and snappy so far, and the chipset is quite power efficient too. With a 3400 mAh battery, you shouldn't have a problem with battery life, though we'll have to do some testing to be sure. And finally, the AI-driven cameras. The VIVO V11 has a dual camera setup, and the camera processing is supposed to be improved through use of AI. The main cam has 12 megapixels and f1.8, and has built-in AI scene recognition. The secondary cam is just a depth sensor. Here's a regular daylight sample for you to check out. And here's one taken using the AI backlight HDR. Low light photography is supported by AI as well. We'll have an in-depth analysis of the camera quality in our full review. Selfies are taken with a 25 megapixel f2.0 front-facing camera. And you can take selfie portraits too. So there you have it guys. It's nice to see so many futuristic features on a mid-range device. But what do you think about this fingerprint scanner? Let us know down in the comments as well as any questions you have about the V11, and we'll try to answer them in our full review coming soon. See ya!